Welcome back, guys. Today, we're bringing you some of the best kitchen hacks and tools to make meal prep quicker and easier than ever. From time-saving gadgets to genius cooking shortcuts, these finds will totally upgrade your kitchen game. As usual, links to all the products are in the description below so you can grab your favorites. This garlic press premium simplifies garlic preparation by crushing unpeeled cloves, eliminating messy peeling. The detachable handle and specially designed grill holes produce finely minced garlic, perfect for adding flavor to a variety of dishes, from savory sauces and marinades to dips and spreads. Crafted from durable food-grade stainless steel, this press is built to withstand regular use and resist corrosion. Its dishwasher-safe design ensures effortless cleaning, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. This garlic press is not only practical, but also a stylish addition to your culinary tools, making it a thoughtful gift for any cooking enthusiast. Enjoy the convenience and efficiency of this premium garlic press, elevating your everyday cooking experience. This apple core effortlessly removes the core from apples, pears, and other similar fruits with its sharp twin stainless steel blades. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, allowing for easy and efficient coring. Its rust-proof design ensures long-lasting durability, making it a reliable tool in your kitchen. Whether you're preparing a quick snack or baking a delicious apple pie, this corer simplifies the process and saves you valuable time. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, this apple corer is a practical and convenient addition to your culinary tools. Enjoy perfectly cored fruits every time with this simple yet effective tool. This meat chopper for hamburger makes quick work of chopping and crumbling ground meat for a variety of recipes. Its 5 wide blades efficiently break down meat, making it ideal for preparing hamburgers, tacos, meatloaf, and more. Made of durable, BPA-free nylon, this chopper is heat-resistant and safe for use with all types of cookware. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, allowing for easy and efficient chopping. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. This meat chopper is a convenient and practical addition to any kitchen. This food warming mat keeps your meals at the perfect temperature. The rapid heating graphene material ensures even heat distribution, while the adjustable temperature and timer settings provide precise control. The durable silicone material is easy to clean and store. Use it for warming food, defrosting, or even heating facial masks. Its compact and portable design makes it ideal for home use or travel. This electric sandwich maker prepares hot sandwiches in minutes. The stainless steel construction and fast heating element provide even toasting. The non-stick coating ensures easy food release and cleanup. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for small spaces. The cool touch locking handle and anti-skid feet ensure safe operation. This Air Fryer Pro Smart allows you to enjoy healthier fried food. Cook with significantly less oil while still achieving crispy results. Control and monitor the cooking process remotely via a smartphone app, which also offers a vast recipe library. The air fryer includes preheating and keep warm functions for added convenience. Cleanup is easy thanks to dishwasher safe, removable baskets, and non-stick surfaces. This non-stick omelet and frittata maker cooks 2 individual portions simultaneously. The non-stick coating ensures easy cooking and cleanup. Beyond omelets and frittatas, it's versatile enough for pizza pockets, apple turnovers, and other dishes. The compact design saves valuable counter space, and the stylish appearance complements any kitchen. This pod coffee maker enhances your coffee experience. Brew a variety of coffee beverages, including lattes and cappuccinos, using any K-Cup pod. Brew ID technology automatically optimizes brewing settings for the best flavor. The integrated milk frother creates cafe-quality drinks. This sushi maker simplifies the art of making sushi. Made of durable, easy-to-clean plastic, this kit includes a mold for creating perfectly shaped sushi rolls. Simply fill the mold with rice and your desired fillings, then press to form uniform rolls. A fun and easy way to make sushi at home, regardless of skill level. This deep fryer pot, made of high-quality stainless steel, ensures even heat distribution on all cooktops, including induction. A built-in thermometer allows for precise temperature control, and the removable oil filter simplifies cleaning and oil drainage. The lid prevents splattering and doubles as a draining rack. A convenient beak makes pouring used oil easy.